I'm recording. Beautiful fall colors. Of course, everybody's wearing their bright yellow or greenish, and I'm the only one in black and blue. It's crispy 47, 48 degrees. Beautiful day for a bike ride in the fall. Great to be out with a group of fantastic folks. Love the way the fall foliage covers the path. Beautiful. Wish I was here a week earlier or a few days earlier. Would have seen more color. Would have seen more leaves. But this isn't bad either. Thank you. Yeah, you hear that cracking sound. That's the chain on the gears. Under a lot of stress, snapping into the next cog. Went through a lot of the apartment complexes. Through residential area with parks, apartments, residential housing. Very nice. Makes it very safe.